Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to optimize Perplexity AI models for speed. Faster models can enhance your application's performance and provide a smoother user experience, so let's get started. First, ensure you have your API key from Perplexity AI. You can get your API key by signing up on the Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner, select the settings icon. Now select on the API section which is on the top right corner. Now select supported models, and here you can get the process of how to get an API key from your Perplexity AI platform, which you will need to access the model optimization features. Next, review the Perplexity AI documentation for guidelines on model optimization. Look for tips on adjusting model parameters, batch sizes, and other settings that can impact speed. Consider reducing the model size or complexity if possible. Smaller models often run faster, though they might sacrifice some accuracy. Optimize your data pipeline by ensuring efficient data pre-processing and minimizing delays in data transfer. Faster data handling can contribute to improved model performance. Use caching mechanisms where applicable to reduce redundant computations and speed up response time. Finally, test the optimized model thoroughly to ensure that the speed improvements don't negatively affect its performance or accuracy. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize Perplexity AI models for faster performance and a better user experience. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.